How benzodiazepines help relieve anxiety. Many believe that taking drugs to help treat mental disorders is unnatural or unnecessary. But when looking at the way they function, you can see that they're just helping your body fight back like any other disease. The GABA A receptor is an ionotropic receptor, and it is what's targeted to treat anxiety disorders. Ionotropic receptors, also known as ligand-gated ion channels, have ion channels that open up when a neurotransmitter attaches to them. This usually occurs rapidly and only as long as the neurotransmitter is still attached to the receptor. After the neurotransmitter detaches, the channel closes.
So the GABA receptor is a membrane-bound protein. The top portion protrudes out of the cell into the synapse. This portion contains active sites for neurotransmitters arrayed with a mixture of alpha helices and beta pleated sheets. The center and bottom are nestled into the cell membrane, containing mainly alpha helices with some polypeptide strings. This is another image that better shows the position of the protein inside of the cell membrane. Benzodiazepines are a class of drugs used to treat anxiety. They enhance the effect of GABA neurotransmitters by lowering the concentration required to open the GABA channel. Benzodiazepines bind to a site on the GABA receptor different from the neurotransmitter binding site, allosterically changing the shape of the protein to increase the likelihood of its binding to GABA. GABA binding actually leads to an increased inhibition of the excitatory neuron and thus less anxiety.
Anxiety can interfere with work, school relationships, and general enjoyment of life. Social anxiety disorder can cause low self-esteem and trouble being assertive and multiple mental problems as a public health issue. Excessive social isolation, especially in academic environments, has also been linked to the development of social anxiety. And since these are the conditions during the pandemic, preventing the onset of anxiety should be at the forefront of our mind. They can also often result in depression, which is the leading cause of both injury and death for people around the world.